Welcome to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare healthy laddoos made of peanuts, sesame seeds and flax seeds, which are good for heart health. Take a pan, add 2 cups of groundnuts and slowly roast on low to medium flame until they changes the color. Peanuts contain heart healthy fats. They are good source of proteins, fats and vitamin B3. Transfer the roasted nuts into a plate. Now take 1 cup of flax seeds, add in the pan and slowly roast on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids that benefit cardiovascular and immune system. Now take a pan and add 1.5 cups of sesame seeds and slowly roast on low flame until they changes the color. Sesame seeds are good source of calcium which are good for bone health. Transfer the roasted nuts into a mixer jar and coarsely ground it. Now take a bowl, add the grounded mixer into a bowl and add 3 cups of jaggery powder, 1 tablespoon of elaichi powder and add few roasted sesame seeds. Mix all the ingredients well. Now add ghee. Mix well. Take small portion of laddoo mixture and give it a shape of laddoo. These laddoos are very healthy. Eating one laddoo keeps your bones healthy, your heart healthy, and they have properties of preventing cancer, diabetes and heart diseases. Thank you for watching.